In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your tracking ID, also known as the measurement ID, in Google Analytics 4. If you've set up a new website, are connecting a plugin, or need to plug your GA4 ID into another tool, this is exactly where to look. We'll go step by step, nice and slowly, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to analytics.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account that has access to your analytics property. If you manage multiple sites or clients, double check that you're in the correct Google account before you continue. Once the page loads, you should see the main Google Analytics interface. If you're using GA4, you'll usually land on a report overview page with charts and a navigation menu on the left. Next, we're going to head into the admin area. Look towards the bottom left corner of the screen for a small gear icon labeled admin. Go ahead and click that. This is where all of your property settings live, including the data streams where your measurement ID is stored. Don't worry, you're not changing anything by opening this section. You're just viewing configuration options. Once you're in the admin section, take a look at the middle column that contains settings related to your property. You should see a section labeled data collection and modification. This is the area that controls how your data comes in and how it can be adjusted or processed. We won't change any of those advanced settings here, but it's useful to know that your tracking configuration lives under this category. Within that same data collection and modification area, find and click on data streams. This is one of the key concepts in Google Analytics 4. A data stream represents a source of data, such as your website or an app. Each stream has its own measurement ID, which is what you'll be copying. When you click data streams, you'll see a list of all streams that have been created for this property. Now look through the list of data streams and select the one you want the tracking ID for. If you're working with a website, it will usually be labeled as a web stream, and you'll see your site's URL or name. Click directly on that stream to open its details. This will bring up a panel with configuration information specific to that site or app. On the stream details page, you'll see various settings and information about how data flows into analytics. Here you should see a field labeled measurement ID. This is the GA4 equivalent of the old tracking ID from Universal Analytics. It usually starts with the letters G followed by a dash and a series of characters. Take a moment to confirm that this is the stream for the correct website or app, so you don't accidentally copy an ID from the wrong property. Once you've located the measurement ID, you can copy it. Simply highlight the ID and copy it like you would any text, or use the copy icon if one appears next to it. After you've copied it, you can paste it into your website builder, tag manager, plugin, or any other tool that asks for your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID. It's a good idea to store it somewhere secure for future reference, especially if you work on multiple properties. That's all you need to do to find and copy your measurement ID in Google Analytics 4.